Welcome to this video exploring the Turing Test, an examination of machine intelligence and the famous imitation game. We will explore how this concept has evolved and its relevance today. The core question posed by Alan Turing in 1950 was, can machines think? This proposition not only defined the field of artificial intelligence, but also provided a measurable goal. Turing's influential 1950 paper, Computing Machinery and Intelligence, proposed the imitation game. Instead of defining thought philosophically, he suggested measuring intelligence through observable behavior. In the imitation game, a human interrogator has text-based conversations with a human and a computer, both hidden. If the interrogator cannot reliably distinguish the computer from the human, the machine passes the test. The test relies on three pillars: the interrogator, who probes for humanness; the human foil, who tries to convince the judge they are human; and the machine, which aims to deceive the judge. In 1950, Alan Turing predicted that within 50 years, computers would play the imitation game so well that the average interrogator would only have a 70% chance of making the right identification after 5 minutes. Success in the Turing test requires several capabilities. These include natural language processing, knowledge representation, automated reasoning, and machine learning. One of the most famous challenges is the Chinese room objection. It argues that a machine passing the test might simply be simulating understanding by manipulating symbols without true consciousness or semantic understanding. The modern horizon of AI has moved from early chatbots to sophisticated large language models, or LLMs, constantly pushing the boundary of human-like interaction. The estimated probability of passing an unrestricted 5-minute test has dramatically increased. From ELIZA in 1966 to modern LLMs like ChatGPT in 2024, the perceived humanness is rapidly rising. Key milestones include ELIZA in 1966, the launch of the Loebner Prize in 1991, the 2014 claim by Gustman, and the near-human fluency achieved by GPT-4 in 2022.